In this video, you will learn how to add tick marks in Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have inserted tick marks in Microsoft Excel graph. You will learn how to add tick marks on y-axis as well as on x-axis. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will generate a graph. Select this data. Go to insert option, and here is the option of recommended chart. Select this one. From here I will choose this one. I will click on OK. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted a bar graph. After that, firstly I will insert a solid line on y-axis, and later on I will insert tick marks on that solid line. Click on this y-axis, right click, go to format axis option, and here is the option of fill and line. Select this one, go to line option and select solid line. From here you can choose the color of this line. Select width of this line 1.5 pt. Now I will go to this axis option. Scroll down, and here you will find the option of tick marks. Select this one. Here is the option of major type and minor type. Firstly, I will explore major type tick marks. Click on this down arrow key. You will find different options. You can insert tick marks inside. Now you can see here tick marks appeared inside this graph or inside this line. Now I will choose outside. Now you can see here tick marks appeared outside of this line. And there is a third option, which is the cross. Tick marks appeared both sides of this line. Mostly we will insert tick marks on outside, so I will choose this option. Now here is the option of minor type. If I choose this option, then minor tick marks appear between major types. I will choose this one, and again I will select outside option. Now you will learn how to insert tick marks on x-axis. Repeat similar procedure. Firstly, click on x-axis values, right click, go to format axis option, go to fill and line option. From here go to line option and select solid line. Choose the color of line. Already black color is selected, and width of line is 1.5 pt. Now go to this axis option. From here go to tick marks option, and I will insert major type tick marks and minor type tick marks on outside. Now if you are interested to change the color of these tick marks or width of these tick marks, you can go to again fill and line option, and from here you can choose any color after selecting line, solid line. For example, in this case I will choose red color. Now you can see here solid line as well as tick mark color is changed. Similarly, you can adjust the width using this option. So by following this video, you can easily insert tick marks in Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.